back to Beckett Snacks. Today, my Bonbon has joined us to make ice cream sandwiches for National Donut Day. National Donut Day started in 1938, and they celebrate National Donut Day when the people gave donuts to the army during war. We celebrate National Donut Day the first Friday of June. Bumble, what's your favorite donut?
A glazed donut or a blueberry cake donut are my favorite.
I like apple fritter, which we have right there.
Okay.
Today on our show, we're going to show you not only how to eat a donut, but how to make a donut ice cream sandwich. Bonbon, have you ever had a donut ice cream sandwich?
No, I haven't, Beckett.
That's good. You can try it.
All right.
These are the items to make a donut ice cream sandwich. We have donuts, of course. We have three types of different ice cream. We have butter pecan, strawberry, and French vanilla. You also will need a grown-up, a knife, and a cutting board. Okay, Bonbon, I'll give you the blueberry cake donut so you can make your donut ice cream sandwich. And I'm just going to take a glazed.
Okay. Ooh.
Here's a quick tip for you. Put your ice cream in the refrigerator so it will soften so you can spread it on your donut. So it would be much easier. Okay, Bonbon, what flavor of ice cream are you going to use?
I think I'll use the vanilla on the blueberry
Okay,
donut.
that sounds really good.
Okay. What are you going to use?
I'm going to use strawberry.
All right.
When you get it covered, it's time for the crowning moment. We flip the other donut on the other one. Ta-da! Now we can roll it in
On the edge.
sprinkles on the edge.
Like a wheel. Hey.
It's time to taste our work, bro.
Mmm. Mmm.
How is it?
I'm good.
Good.
For better results, you can put it in the fridge so hard, or more like me, just stick it. That's a wrap for Beckett Snacks. See you next time. Don't forget to celebrate National Donut Day on June 7th.
Oh, that's perfect. No, not really good.
Okay, come on. Set it down.
Wash your hands.
That's more like what Paul was doing. Maybe.